Friday morning, 5:30. We're out here at the job site. Got to move a little equipment around here. The owner blocked our slab off we poured yesterday. So I'm gonna get this truck moved. Our mud should be here at 6. We're gonna pour the little lean-to in the back. We're gonna get this marked out and get it all saw cut. It's early, but it's supposed to rain later today, so we want to get this one done. We'll see what we can do here. Stay tuned, guys. Alrighty, we got this one all down. As you guys saw, for whatever reason my camera keeps shutting off. Got her floated. Truck didn't get here till about 6:15. It's 7:01, 45 minutes. Did pretty good. Truck's washing up, Al's washing it, all the tools up. Turk's out saw cutting. Andy's cleaning up forms. So far, so good. It is a fantastic Saturday morning out here, YouTube. Yes, Saturday. We are here on a Saturday. Supposed to get a 1/4 inch of rain later. Heavy thunderstorms, damaging winds. As of now, it's beautiful. Al and I got here. We got this one all saw cut. Got her stripped. She's looking good. Al's in here cleaning out the joints of this one. We ran the floor scrubber on this yesterday. I want to show you guys now that all the inside saw cutting is done. Still got pressure on the gauge. Still got pressure on these gauges. This floor turned out sweet. Our outside slab slab here also turned out sweet. Like I said, Bob didn't want it broomed. I'm not a fan of that. We left it a little fuzzy. Got our catch basin here. That's working good. So I was just going through with a vacuum and a margin trawl, cleaning the joints out good in case Bob wants to caulk them or whatever. We might polyfill those in the future, I'm not sure. But we're gonna get that back rinsed down, I think. And then it'll be the weekend. Guys, as always, like, share, subscribe. We appreciate it. We're trying to grow the channel. I'm gonna try and come out with some stuff in the future. Next video, we're gonna be working on doing a spray deck coating. We've got that coming up. We've got a driveway tear out and replacement coming up. We got another driveway to do. Then eventually we're gonna be back here for Bob. We're gonna do all this in concrete, tearing out that driveway, tearing out patio back there. We're gonna pour all this in concrete. That sidewalk, front sidewalk, this is gonna go out to meet the end of our new approach. On the other side of the building through the garage door, Bob's gonna tear that concrete out. We're gonna pour concrete through there out to the end of our approach. So quite a bit of work left to do here, but we're gonna be jumping around to a couple other jobs, trying to stay somewhat on schedule and just trying to keep everybody happy. So far this has been a good job. Bob's been a good customer. Everything's cool. We appreciate you guys. Have a good weekend. Well, it is a sunny Monday morning. Gonna be 88 degrees today. Couple things. Starting a new guy today, Dave. We'll see how he does. Him and Kirk are over to driveway cutting it up. Andy and Al are here. We're at the church job. We're gonna get this all sprayed today. Guys are using some stretch wrap to mask off all of the railing. Got some cardboard to hold up on the brick. We're gonna get this thing all sprayed today. The color we're gonna be using is called Sunshine. It kind of matches the church colors, I think. So we gotta finish masking this off. Get our mixing station set up. Shouldn't take us too long. We'll get this thing done. So everybody, we have spent about the last 3 hours taping off and putting shrink wrap up on all these railings, protecting everything, covering everything. Right now, the guys are putting down the bonding agent, getting all the steps done, the edges done, ramp done. We swept this thing, blew it off good. Lots of edges. Al, your thoughts?
It's just a good team bonding moment.
Andy, your thoughts?
I have none.
All right.
I can't get nothing. I'm not thinking right now. I'm bonding. Just dropped a great pun and no one didn't even crack a smile.
I didn't hear what you said. I didn't hear what you said.
I said we're having a great team bonding moment right now and we're putting down bonding agent.
Oh, I got you. I got you. I got you.
We're with a bunch of corpses around here.
Yeah, well, I didn't catch it. I'm sorry. I got it now. Yeah. Putting out YouTube gold, and that's what you get. So once they get that done, we'll mix up our base coat and start getting our spray on. Stay tuned. We are finally ready to spray. Andy's mixing the base coat right now. We've got all of our primer down on this. Got everything ready, taped off. We got to give this 5 minutes for a false set. Then we'll retemper, mix again, we'll spray.
Mix 'em, baby.
Okay guys, so we've got the base coat down. You guys can see the type of texture you get off that, but basically this coat just gives everything color. It puts some texture into it. This stuff does not fill cracks, doesn't fix cracks. You're gonna see the chips, texture, things like that. Overall though, base coat is looking good. We'll get we're gonna go to spray coat 1 now. You guys are getting everything cleaned up quick, and we'll start mixing next coat right away. So we just put on the, let's see, first spray coat, which is like this yellowish type color here, I'd call it. If you guys can see that or not. The next color we're gonna put on is a slightly different shade, more of a beigeish slash brownish. So there's this and then 2 splatter coats. So it's basically 5 colors in all this total. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying to get you out of the sun here. Stuff's got some really good texture to it for a handicap ramp. Color's gonna match the church pretty nice, I think. So Andy's got that mixed up. We gotta let it do a false sit for 5 minutes. We'll retemper it, go from there.
Oh, I'm also known as Silver Fox too. I'm gonna be going and getting my name and yours names.
Really? Like Ocho Cinco?
Yeah, right.
Oh my God. Alrighty everybody, so we got this one all sprayed. Tomorrow we'll come take down all the plastic, the tape, we'll seal it. I'll show you guys the texture on this stuff. So like I said, this stuff is not designed to fill cracks or big chips or anything like that. It's just a textured coating, changes the color. That was explained all up front, so they know. So get this thing sealed up. It'll have some really good texture for the wheelchairs, all the old people going to church. It's gonna look very nice. You guys are heading out. Andy and Dave and Kurt got that driveway all saw cut. Tomorrow we're gonna rip that out and start forming it for a Wednesday pour. We're heading back to the shop right now because we've got 2 tabletops we got to get poured. So we're gonna run back to the shop right now and take you guys with us, and we'll pour a couple tabletops.
Speed it up.
Well, camera died, but we got these ones all poured here. So we got to let them tighten up some, and then I will trowel them and stamp them. These are getting poured right side up. Most of the time we pour things upside down in our table forms, but this one's getting a big Mariners medallion stamp. This big stamp here that's upside down. So yeah.
W in the chat.
So we're just gonna get everything cleaned up, and I'll trowel these. When they get ready, we'll stamp them.